Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the social media and its various kinds. Social media actually is a kind of platform जिसके through you can interact with each other, with the different communities, with the different societies. You can represent your views about the socialism and your personal views about a particular statement. So it is a kind of open platform through which you can interact with the people to enjoy the times, to manipulate the things according to uh, verifying the truth of the particular information in the real world, and to share that particular information with uh, most of the people over the globe. So let's proceed. So what actually social media is? It is defined by boundless.com as an interactive platform where content is created, distributed and shared by individuals on the web. That means एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जिसके ऊपर आप कंटेंट को क्रिएट करते हो, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो एंड शेयर करते हो बिटवीन द डिफरेंट पीपल, among the different people over the web space की बात कर रहे हैं. And what is the purpose? The purpose is to provide users with a rich experience. एक rich experience देने के लिए, dynamic content देने के लिए, content that changes frequently with the passage of time, with the needs of the people and with the situations. Scalability, if you want to extend its features and capabilities, you can extend them. Openness, it is open to all, anyone of interest can use this platform for the creation of information, for sharing of information, for distribution of information. And collective intelligence is a kind of tools that you use to manipulate the information in such a way that represents in a highly interactive and a supportive way. So let's differentiate between the social media and the mass media. There are some similarities between the two and there are some differences also. So first we discuss about similarities. Social media and mass media are designed to reach large number of people. It is not for restricted for say particular group of people. It is designed for the whole of the community, you can say. And also these are made to inform audience about the particular kind of information or particular kind of events or incidents that are happening around you in your society or in your state or country. Also there are some differences. The social media reaches users in a shorter amount of time. That means social media takes less time for the information to spread, but mass media takes much time. Second one is social media gives audience an opportunity to give feedback. That means you can comment on the information, you can like it, you can share it, you can rate it, and you can put your views about the particular information. But in mass media, you just can read the information, you can have information about a particular event or situation, but you can't give your opinion or give your reviews, give your personalized information about that particular moment or event. Then what do these organizations do with social media or the individuals? So at individual level, the best thing about trying to name a baby is realizing how many people you hate. That means at individual level, when you are specifying a particular kind of information, then people's opinions, people's comments, their views about that particular incident tells that what kind of people like you and what kind of people hate you. It just, that means you know your presence, what actually is through the social media. At organization level, we can define why is that fire source is not made with any real fire, seems like false advertising. That means at organizational level, you can advertise your products, you can market your business, you can give information about the whatever the business you are dealing with or the services that you are providing. You can tell people about those services and products, and can enhance your uh, the performance of your business and the uh, customer reach. That actually is the basic building block for a business. That is, for that purpose, social media is the best platform in today's world. Then we're going to discuss about the different kinds of social media. These are the blogs or microblogs, collaborative projects, content communities, social networking, and virtual worlds. So let's proceed. Blog platforms. Blog is a kind of platform through which you can put a particular kind of information that you want the people to know about, and then people can read that information and comment on the particular information, give the suggestions or whatever likes or dislikes on that particular information. For example, Tumblr. In this, each user has his or her own Tumblr blog where they can publish short posts of text, images, quotes, links, videos, audios, and chats. It is acquired by Yahoo in 2013. 550 million monthly users are there on that. 280.4 million blogs are there on the Tumblr. A microblog. Microblog platform where you can put the short information. In the blog, you can put a large collection of information, but if we are talking about the micro blog, micro means small, so it is the portable version of blog where the information size is very limited and you can post only a limited piece of information that is meaningful and that is to be known to all of the people. For example, Twitter. Now, some more about Twitter. It consists of broadcasting daily short burst messages to the world. That means short messages uh, to the world are broadcasted through Twitter with hope that your messages are useful and interesting to someone. That means as you know, only limited information you can post on the microblog. So information must be useful and interesting to the audience. A tweet is only 140 characters available to say information. In a tweet, only 140 characters are allowed if you are sharing a particular information. Uh, As of 2016, 319 million users are there on Twitter and 750 tweets per second are being posted on the Twitter platform. Then next comes collaborative project. A collaborative project is a that kind of project which is collaboratively managed, organized by a group of people or the people who use that particular resource. So it is that kind of resource. For example, Wikipedia. It is a free encyclopedia where a lot of information is available related to each and every topic of your interest, and it is written collaboratively by the people who use it. That means not a particular governing body is there to manage the content. It is the people who use it are sharing the information, are writing the information on the particular platform. If we talk about Wikipedia, till now 53 lakh 57,012 total articles are posted. And if we talk about the pages, then 4 crore 16 lakh 77,430 total pages are there. If we talk about users, then 3 crore 4 lakh 44,460 users with about 1 lakh 40,722 active users. That means this is the number of users 1 lakh 40,722 which remains active at any particular moment of time. Then comes content communities. The content communities are such kind of platforms which provide a particular type of content to the people. The content can be audio, it can be video, it can be pictures, it can be graphics, or any other type of content. That means a particular kind of content is delivered to the audience, to the people, by the particular platform, such as YouTube. YouTube is a such kind of platform which provides only the video content to the people. So let's discuss more about YouTube. It is a free video hosting website that allows members to store and serve video content. That means the members on the YouTube can store their videos, can deliver the content to the people, can share it with others. Over 1 billion users are there on the YouTube, and more than half of YouTube views come from mobile devices. That means it is most prominent usage of YouTube is on mobile devices, portable devices. Then comes social networks. Social networks are a kind of platforms which provide a social interaction situation, or an environment where people interact with one another, know about each other, their personal details, their social details, and the information that a particular social networking user wants to share the information with others. That kind of information can be shared over the social networks. Social networks are like Facebook, it is like Instagram, uh, it is like, if you talk about the professional community, it is LinkedIn. So these are the different kind of social networks through which people can connect with each other, know about each other. For example, Facebook, if we talk about, it is a popular free social networking site. It is it was it came into existence back in 2004 Feb month, and till now it has the active user base of 1.86 billion. That means 1.86 billion users remain active at any moment of time on the Facebook social network. Then virtual worlds are a kind of platform which provide virtual environment to the people, where people involved in such things that are not actually in existence, but for their entertainment purpose, for their interest, for their curiosity, they just get into such kind of virtual worlds and enjoy their particular moment of time by spending some time in using such kind of virtual worlds. For example, various kind of games that are available over the web, like PUBG and Most Wanted, Need for Speed. These are the kind of virtual worlds where people enjoy the moments, enjoy the time, uh, but actually these things are not in real. So, for example, we take about World of Warcraft, a massively multiplayer online role playing game जिसके अंदर यूजर अपना आप का एक रोल क्रिएट करता है और फिर उसके हिसाब से गेम के अंदर वो प्ले करता है, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज को परफॉर्म करता है. इट वाज रिलीज्ड इन 2004 बाय ब्लिजर्ड एंटरटेनमेंट. पास्ट 10 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स इन 2016. 2016 तक 10 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर इसके हो चुके थे आफ्टर रिलीजिंग इट्स सिक्स्थ एक्सपेंशन called Legion. It has 6 versions and the latest version is Legion, that was in October 2016 released. Then we discuss about how has social media changed over time. That means evolution of the social media. If we talk about earlier times, the past social media endeavors were AIM in 1997, then came in 1998 Open Diary. After that, advances happened, and in 2000 Wikipedia came into existence, and in 2003 MySpace came into existence. And what is social media like today? So today social media is like the blogs where people post their information for the people of the same interest. microblogs like Twitter, where the meaningful or useful information is being conveyed to the people. Content communities, which provided particular kind of content to the audience for their benefit, like YouTube. Social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, which provide a particular kind of platform where people can interact with one another and share their particular personal and social information with other users. Virtual worlds, is a virtual world is a kind of environment where nothing is existing in the real, but it is a virtual environment where people enjoy the environment by various kind of activities like games in PUBG, Need for Speed, World of Craft, Warcraft, etc. So, if we're discussing about social media and the web resources, we have a little overview about the web 1.0 and 1.2.0. So, what is 1.0 and what is it like? So, web 1.0 hosts were primary content distribution. That means when the time was of web 1.0, in which only the content was delivered to the audience, and the people could get that information, could use that information for their benefit. Audience just received information from website. They just received information. That means only one way communication was there in web 1.0. Whoever wanted to convey the information, wanted to publish the information, can use the web resources and can publish the information over particular web resource, and other users could have access to those resources. But if we talk about web 2.0, then it allowed audience to like, to create and to post images, statuses and other kind of content over the web. Also they can upload video contents, image contents to share with other peoples over the web community. So this is what web 2.0 provides, a bi-directional communication between the web content provider and the content user. So the most important trends in social media today are Snapchat and other platforms. If we talk about Snapchat and Twitter, so Snapchat is growing more while Twitter is lacking the growth. That means Snapchat is growing and Twitter is dying, because whatever the platform provides, the various features and tools, uh, people get interacted towards such kind of things, and Snapchat provides more features, more capabilities than Twitter, because Twitter is a very limited information sharing platform where useful, meaningful information in a very limited size can be shared. But Snapchat is a provides additional capabilities with more information and more kind of resources that can be shared. Also, vicariously living through others. That means by using various ways and means or the information that is available over the social media, which opens up a new doors for the people. That means new platforms and new areas of exploration are available through the social media, which can provide more benefit and more advancements to the people living in the such community. Then the benefits for non-profits having a social media presence. What are the benefits of social media presence? So the Council of Non-Profits gives multiple examples of the benefits of using social media. By the use of social media, there are various benefits that a particular the people can achieve. First one is builds awareness. By sharing a particular valuable information in your surroundings, you can create awareness about different activities that are going on in the society, and you can aware the people to uh, prepare their minds as per the latest trends that are going on in the society, for the benefit of the society, for advancement of the society. Organizational growth, for by using various kind of advertising and publishing and marketing strategies, organizational growth purpose can also be achieved through the social media. also empowers supporters. That means if a particular people of very high repute is there, then the supporters of that people gets connected to that particular person uh, through a particular social media page, and that creates the uh, power of a particular person through the supporters that are available in the society. It provides a collective platform where supporters are directly connected to their role model. So why is social media right for spokes of hope worldwide? Because the mass production of the cycling for change program, if it for a change we need some kind of information that is to be spread over the large group of people, and for that social media is the best platform for such kind of activities. Also the strategic objective can be reached. If you want to increase your business, if you want to grow your business, so you can use that social media for growth of your business in a respective in your customized way, and you can provide the content in for marketing or advertising of the products or services that your business governs. So the reach of your business can be uh, made available to the people of the society. So this is all about social media and its various kinds and their purposes and how do we use them for the benefits. This is all about the social media platforms. Thank you very much.